If you need to close your FuboTV account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth cancellation process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the FuboTV website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have access to the email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Select subscription. In the account settings menu, find the subscription section. Here, you will see details about your current plan and billing information. Step 4. Choose cancel subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. Click on it and follow any prompts or instructions provided to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to ensure that your account has been successfully closed. Once you've completed these steps, your FuboTV account will be closed and you will no longer be billed. If you have any issues during the process, consider reaching out to FuboTV customer support for assistance.